Welcome to our video on how to prevent microphone on Roblox. Today, we will be discussing the steps to follow in order to ensure that the Roblox application does not have access to your microphone. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can typically be found in the app drawer or by pulling down the notification bar and tapping on the gear icon. Next, navigate to Applications and search for the Roblox application in the list of installed apps. Once you have located Roblox, tap on it to access the application settings. In the Roblox application settings, look for the Permissions section. Here, you will see a list of permissions that the app has access to, including the microphone. To prevent Roblox from accessing your microphone, simply tap on the microphone permission and select Don't Allow. This will revoke the app's access to your device's microphone, ensuring that it cannot listen in on your conversations or record audio without your consent. By following these steps, you can protect your privacy and prevent Roblox from accessing your microphone. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on keeping your personal information secure while using mobile applications.